Recovery is a journey of personal transformation, requiring clarity, vision, and a plan of action. In this journey, setting precise and well thought out goals is crucial. Smart Recovery's goal setting tool is here to guide that process. The SMART in SMART goal setting represents a distinct yet complementary set of principles. Being specific in goal setting involves clearly defining what you aim to achieve. A specific goal might be, I will engage in a hobby I enjoy for at least an hour 3 times a week. A goal is measurable when you can objectively assess whether it's been met. For example, I will attend 2 support meetings per week is a measurable goal. Your goals should be agreeable, meaning they resonate with your inner values, desires, and personal recovery commitments. Realistic goals are those within the realm of possibility. An unrealistic goal sets you up for failure, while a realistic goal fosters motivation and progress. Goals need a deadline or time frame. Time constraints create urgency and promote accountability. SMART goals are more than items on a to-do list. They provide direction and structure, creating a framework within which you can work, celebrate progress, and realign when necessary. Learn more at smartrecovery.org.